Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today with this video we are going to discuss about the placements for the Indian Institute of Management Rohtak for the year 2024. So the final placement report for the IIM Rohtak is released with 100% placements, and if we consider the overall average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 19.27 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 37.25 lakhs per annum. There are top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 29.28 lakhs per annum, and top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 24.13 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the overall function wise placements for the year 2024, then for the sales and marketing function, there were 30% offers were made. The highest salary package offered with the sales and marketing domain, it is nearly up to 48.25 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 18.78 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the general management and human resource, then there were 27% offers were made for this domain. The highest salary package offered for the general management and HR is nearly up to 21 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 16.17 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the product management, IT and operations, then there were 20% offers were made with this domain. The highest salary package offered with this domain is nearly up to 46.76 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with the product management, IT and operations domain is nearly up to 27.82 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the finance, then there were 15% offers were made for the finance domain. The highest salary package offered with this domain is nearly up to 24 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered is 15.67 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the consulting, then there were 8% offers were made for the consulting domain. The highest salary package offered with this domain is nearly up to 22 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered is nearly up to 16.37 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the overall top recruiters for the year 2024, then those are Amazon, Dell, Barclays, Cognizant, Deloitte, Axis Bank, Capgemini, Aditya Birla Capital, Genpact, TVS, EY, Adobe, Tata Steel and Anand Rathi. Then if we consider the overall summer internship placements for the year 2024, then the highest stipend offered with this college is nearly up to 2.5 lakhs per month. The average stipend offered is nearly up to 99.1 thousand rupees. Then if we consider the increase in average stipend from the last year, then it is more than 38.9%. The median stipend offered with this college is nearly up to 80,000. Then there are top 10% candidates are with the average stipend of 1.87 lakhs per month. Top 20% candidates are with the average stipend of 1.65 lakhs per month, and there are top 50% candidates are with the average stipend of 1.34 lakhs per month. And if we consider the top recruiters for the summer internship program, then those are Adobe, Amazon, Tata Steel and ICICI Bank. Then if we consider the overall placements for the year 2024 with other year with the IIM Rohtak, then the average salary package offered for the year 2024, it was 19.27 lakhs per annum. If we consider it for the year 2023, it was 18.73 lakhs per annum. For the year 2022, it was 16.06 lakhs per annum. For the year 2021, the average salary package offered with IIM Rohtak is nearly up to 13.74 lakhs per annum. For the year 2020, it was 13.7 lakhs per annum. For the year 2019, it was 11.85 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the 2018, it was 11.7 lakhs per annum. And for the year 2017, it was 12.3 lakhs per annum. So this is all about the average salary package offered with the different years for the IIM Rohtak. Then if we consider the overall highest package offered for the different years, then for the year 2024, the highest salary package offered is nearly up to 48.25 lakhs per annum. The highest salary package offered for the year 2023, it was 36 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the year 2022, the highest salary package offered is nearly up to 32 lakhs per annum. For the year 2021, the highest salary package offered is 22.8 lakhs per annum. For the year 2020, the highest salary package offered is 24 lakhs per annum. Then for the year 2019, it was 24.13 lakhs per annum. For the year 2018, it was 30 lakhs per annum. And if we consider it for the year 2017, it was up to 25.9 lakhs per annum. If we consider the overall sector-wise placements for the IIM Rohtak, then for the marketing, the salary ranges in between 11.35 to 36 lakhs per annum. For the finance, the average salary package ranges in between 11 to 32 lakhs per annum. For the operations, HR and others, the average salary package ranges in between 10 to 28 lakhs per annum. If we consider it for the IT, analytics and consulting sector, then the average salary package ranges in between 10 to 43.92 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the overall sector-wise offers made, so if we consider it for the marketing sector, then with the ICICI Bank, the average salary package ranges in between 16.2 lakhs to 18.2 lakhs per annum. Then with the NPCI, it is nearly up to 13.68 lakhs per annum. With the Tata Steel, the average salary package is nearly up to 21 lakhs per annum. With the Byju's, the average salary package is nearly up to 15.2 lakhs per annum. Then with the Schindler, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 13 lakhs per annum. With the ICICI Lombard, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 17.5 lakhs per annum. With the Axis Bank, the average salary package ranges in between 14.5 to 15.6 lakhs per annum. With the Titan, the average salary package offered is nearly up to 17.3 lakhs per annum. With the Mahindra, the average salary package ranges in between 12 to 14 lakhs per annum. Then with the GAIL, the average salary package is nearly up to 18.2 lakhs per annum. With Vecped, the average salary package ranges in between 22 to 25 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the Bluestone, the average salary package ranges in between 18 to 16 lakhs per annum. With the Amazon, it is 18.16 lakhs per annum. With HDFC Bank, it is nearly up to 12.41 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the Amul, the average salary package ranges in between 16.5 to 18.5 lakhs per annum. With IndiaMart, the average salary package ranges in between 12 to 14 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the overall offers made with the finance sector, then with the IDFC Bank, the average salary package offered is 19 lakhs per annum. With the S Bank, it ranges in between 16 to 19 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the SBI Capital Markets, the average salary package is nearly up to 15 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the RBL Bank, the average salary package is nearly up to 11 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the overall offers made in the operations, HR and other sector, then with the Capgemini, the average salary package offered is 14.5 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the AXL service, the average salary package offered is 28 lakhs per annum. With the Anand Group, it is 12 lakhs per annum. With Genpact, it is ranges in between 11 to 16 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the IT, analytics and consulting sector, then with the Yash Technologies, the average salary package offered is 19.28 lakhs per annum. With the Accenture, it ranges in between 23.57 to 43.92 lakhs per annum. For the Cognizant, it is in between 13.25 to 15.5 lakhs per annum. With the EY, it is 11.59 lakhs per annum. Then with the Barclays, it is 17 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the ICICI Prudential, it is 11 lakhs per annum. With the Infosys, it is 10 to 15 lakhs per annum. Then with the Deloitte, it is nearly up to 11.4 lakhs per annum. With the Samsung, it is nearly up to 18 lakhs per annum. So if we compare the overall placements for the year 2024 with the year 2023, then for the year 2024, so overall there were 237 recruiters, and for the year 2023, it was up to 120 recruiters. So overall there were 70 plus new recruiters for the year 2024, and there were 45 plus new recruiters for the year 2023. So overall there were 226 students were participated in the placements for the year 2024, and overall there were 237 students participated for the year 2023 with the IIM Rohtak placements. Then if we consider the overall placement percentage, then it is 100% for both the year. The highest salary package offered for the year 2024 is nearly up to 48.25 lakhs per annum, and for the year 2023 it is nearly up to 36 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the average salary package offered for the year 2024, it is nearly up to 19.27 lakhs per annum, and for the year 2023 it is nearly up to 18.73 lakhs per annum. If we consider the median salary package offered with the year 2024, it is nearly up to 17 lakhs per annum, and for the year 2023, it is nearly up to 17.5 lakhs per annum. So if we consider the top functions for the year 2024, then those were sales and marketing, and for the year 2023 it was consulting. If we consider the top recruiters for the year 2024, then those were Amazon, Dell, Barclays, Cognizant and Capgemini. Then if we consider it for the year 2023, then those were Accenture, Barclays, Byju's, Capgemini, and there are so many companies were over there. So this is all about the overall placement analysis for the IIM Rohtak. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.